Hey guys, so we are in 1.3, lesson 1.3 in the textbook. If you have access to the textbook, it's a good idea to open your book and kind of follow along. Also remember that any point during any lesson that you can stop, pause the video, rewind it, watch it again, or pause it just to take notes. So today we're going to look at precision and accuracy in calculations. All right, so this says determine precision of measurement. Measurements are obtained using a measuring tool, and the precision of the tool determines the precision of the measurements. For instance, the smallest unit on the ruler shown is a millimeter. So while the actual length of the insect is between 1.2 centimeters and 1.3 centimeters, you would report the length of either 1.2 or 1.3, depending on whether the actual length appears to be closer to 1.2 or closer to 1.3. Since in this case, the insect's length appears to fall exactly halfway between, you would round to 1.25. That rounds up to 1.3. All right, so you can see the insect here, and they are measuring, and that's how they get this measurement. So 1.1, 1.2, this is 1.3. Since it falls in between, we round up as we do with all decimal points. All right, a reported measurement and the actual value of what was measured can differ by as much as half the unit of measurement. For the ruler shown, the unit of measurement is 0.1 centimeters, or half the unit of measurement is 0.05. For example, if you are told that the insect's length is 1.3, you know that the actual length could be anything from 1.25 to 1.35. Okay, so that's how they're kind of rounding that up. All right, so let's look at this ribbon here. All right, so the ribbon shown is between two rulers, ruler A and ruler B. Ruler A is marked with centimeters, and ruler B is marked by millimeters. For each ruler, state which length of the ribbon would be reported and give a range of values for the actual length. Okay, so you can see the length of the ruler falls here. On the top ruler, we're going by centimeters, and it falls between 4 and 5, but it looks like it's closer to 5 centimeters. So it says which ruler gives the more precise measurement. Well, if you look here, it goes by millimeters. So you can say this is 45, 4.5, 6, 7, looks like about 4.8. So I would say ruler B has the more precise measurement because it has more units divided up. Millimeters are smaller units than centimeters. All right. Then it says using ruler A, the ribbon's length would be reported as 5 centimeters. So if you go back up here and look, it would be reported as 5 because it is closest to 5 centimeters. All right, but because that is rounded, you know that that is a margin of error. So they subtract 0.5 and add 0.5. So they add and subtract a half of centimeter for each value. So that means 4.5 centimeters is less than or equal to the actual length, which is less than or equal to 5.5. So basically this is saying the length falls between 4.5 and 5.5. All right, using ruler B, the ribbon would be reported as 4.8. Again, if you kind of go back up here and you look, this is going to be 4, 5, so 4.5. 6, 7, 8. You can see right there that it looks like about 4.8. You can always expand that a little bit if it's hard to see. I blow mine up all the time. Okay. And you know that, again, since that was in millimeters, you can take that even smaller. So we can do 0.05 plus and 0.05 minus, and that gives us the margin of error for this length. So the actual length is 4.75 centimeters, or between 4.5 centimeters and 4.85 centimeters. All right, if you have any questions, please let me know.